Now that we have some blog articles, we have our blog page, now it's time to design our blog category page. So this is what we're gonna do now. Again, if you jump directly to this section, just make sure that you have at least one blog article into your store. So let's go. Here we are on the blog page that we designed just in the previous section. So that's great. And if we go to the blog category page, this one, History of Luxury Watches, this is the design that we have by default. So we can definitely do better than that. So I will go back to the theme builder. And here into the theme builder, we want to create a new template, build new template, apply this template to all category pages here. Create template, then save, and then we create a custom body. Now we can access the template again. And for me, I will use the exact same template as we use for the blog page. You can use another template if you want. Again, there's a lot of options, but for me, just to keep it consistent, I will use the exact same one. So I will search for blog, and the one that we use on the blog page is this one, web developer blog page. Okay, I will use this layout. Okay, great. So here we are going to do almost the same modification as we did on the blog page, but with a few little differences. So let's go. First of all, I will delete the module that we don't want. Okay, and then I will change the picture here. We will use the same one. Okay, we will change this to red. Okay, then here in the title, we need to use a dynamic module because we want to display the category name here, and so it needs to change for every category. So instead of this text module here, I will add a post title module. Okay, then into the post title settings, we want to show the title. Okay, we don't want to show the meta, not the featured image. We only want to have the title like this. Then we can align center, change the color to white, and make it bigger. Okay, so we can check what is the size of the text here. We can just save it here, then open the text module, then use the pencil icon as a shortcut. And then here we can see that this heading is in 75 pixels. Okay, so we can put 75 here as well. Okay, and let's make sure that we use the default font. Okay, we can save, and now we can delete this one. So now we can have the title of the category page here, which is what we want to do. So perfect. Then we will add the menu below that as well. So again, it's hard to access the little plus to add the module. So we can just add it from the wireframe view, header and menu. Okay, and we select the blog menu. Perfect. Then we just need to change the style. Background, black, design, menu text, white, white, drop down, background black, line red, text white, active link color white, background black, and right. Okay, and we want to align center. Okay, perfect. Then into the blog module here, again, we want to change this color to red. And we also want to change one more thing, which is into content. On the blog page, we put all category, but here we only want to display the blog post from the current category. So we want to choose current category here. So now it will only show the post from the category. Okay? Then you have the same option as we saw on the blog page. You can decide to display the elements or not. It's really up to you. For me, I will just keep it like this. It's great. And then I will add the breadcrumbs as we did on the blog page. So I will just add a new module, breadcrumbs, take it above, and add the divider. Divider white, and in the breadcrumbs, design, style, current text color, we said white, separator white as well, and for the link, we used some gray like that. Okay, perfect. So now I think we have a nice category page. So we can save. Then we can go on our category page. We can refresh. And once again, I made the same mistake as earlier in the course. When we create a new template like this, first of all, we need to quit the visual builder and then save the changes here into the theme builder. That's only for the first time when we create a new template, then the changes get applied directly. But for the first time, we need to change here in the theme builder as well. So we go back to our page, refresh, and here we are. Now we have our beautiful history of luxury watches category page. We have the menu here. For now, we have only one category, but if we add more category, they will be displayed here as well. We have the breadcrumbs, and we have our blog article here, and then our footer. Okay, perfect. And when we click on the article, we arrive on the article page. And the design of this page is what we will do in the next section. So that's it for the blog category page. Now let's go to the next section.